Milan, a city full of history, style, beautiful things, beautiful people, and me, exploring it all. Yet, despite the awesomeness of the city, there's a lot of little issues. Things like broken tram signs, street litter, dog poops, graffiti, and potholes. What can we do to fix these things? Introducing the TellMi App for the Comune di Milano. Citizens can use the app to inform the Comune about any problems that they encounter. It's as easy as taking a picture, submitting it to the city, and following it as it progresses. The more people who submit the issue, the more prioritized it becomes. You can even submit via the hashtag TellMiApp on social media. It then shows up on the city's dashboard where they can see all of the submitted issues and organize a work crew to fix the problem, like this pothole. When the work is finished, the crew uploads a picture of the completed job, giving you a before and after of a problem that you helped solve. The TellMi app helps Milanese people work together to help the city understand and solve problems faster. By working with the community, the Comune works better. The TellMi app for the Comune di Milano.